Hi, welcome to 3 Inches Hand Embroidery. I'm Eric. In this video, I'll try my best to guide you in what you need in order to start your hand embroidery journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming hand embroidery videos. The needle size and the number of strands. The size 3 to 9 embroidery needle set is a good needle set to start with. So you can use size 9 for 1 or 2 strands, size 7 for 2 or 3 strands, size 5 for 3 or 4 strands, and size 3 for 5 or 6 strands. How to separate the floss. Most of the cut and embroidery floss are comprised of 6 easy separated strands. You can adjust the thickness of the stitches with different number of strands. To separate the floss, hold ½ inch from the end of the floss. Try not to hold it too tight, and pull one strand out gently until it completely separated from the remaining strands. Please pick it up one by one. If you pull 2 strands at the same time, it will get tangled easily. How to hold the needle and floss. After you thread your needle, make sure the shoulder part is around 3 inches, so it will be easier for you to hold it when you're embroidering. Alright, I'll show you how I hold the floss so it won't slip out easily from the needle when I'm embroidering. So when I pull the needle with my thumb and forefinger, I hold the floss with the remaining fingers. There's no standard way to do it. As long as you can hold it well, you're good. So this is 3 strands, and please don't do this, because this is going to be 6 strands instead of 3 strands. How to anchor the floss. There are many ways to anchor the floss. No right or wrong, it's about preference, because the back of the embroidered work is going to be messy regardless. Unless you're doing sewing embroidery. Here we go. How to anchor the floss at the beginning. Send your needle down from the top and hold the end of the strands with your thumb. After that, make 2 tiny backstitches on the outline and cover them up with the stitches later. And now I'll show you how to anchor the floss at the ending part. What I did here is I made 2 tiny backstitches underneath the last stitch. Cut off the exit part at the back. All set. How tight should I secure the fabric on the hook? After you fully tighten up the screw, you can still adjust the tensions of the fabric. Flick it, and if you hear this sound, it means it's tight enough. How long is the floss should I use? It depends on your work. My suggestion is the longest length, do not over the length of your arm. Should I prepare the fabric before embroidering? If you're going to iron something on the fabric, you have to pre-iron it because some fabrics will shrink a little after you iron it. And same thing, if you are going to wash the fabric after you embroider, you have to pre-wash it because it will shrink at the first time you wash it. If you want the work to stay on the hook, not taking it down for ironing or washing, then there's nothing you have to do with it. This video is about the switchable fabrics for hand embroidery. The link is in the description, you can check it out later. How to start. First, you have to get the hand embroidery tools and supplies. You can either get it from eBay, Amazon, or your local craft store. This video is about the tools and supplies for hand embroidery. The link is in the descriptions, you can check it out later. The second thing is the stitches that you have to learn. So for the outline stitches, back stitch, stem stitch, split stitch, and chain stitch. You can also use chain stitch on filling. Satin stitch and long short stitch are the filling stitches that you must learn. And you definitely can mess up French knit. You have a lot of fun with French knit. The optional stitches are woven well stitch, woven picot stitch, and turkey stitch. Woven well stitch and woven picot stitch mostly used on making flowers, and the turkey stitch is for making hairs or fluffy fur effect. There are a variety of stitches that you have to learn if you're going further, but the stitches that are listed on the board should be a good start for you. The third thing is pattern transferring. You can refer to this video. It includes how to print the pattern on your fabric, how to use sticky fabric survey, carbon paper, and pattern tracing materials. Step-by-step instruction. The link is in the description. And the last thing is start with an easy and small project. If you don't have enough experience, starting with a massive and complicated pattern can be overwhelming. The most important thing is to enjoy yourself when you're embroidering. Do not compare your work to other people's. Life is a little bit tough sometimes, you have to learn to treat yourself better. If you found this video useful, you can give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button, and you're always welcome to leave a comment below. Happy embroidering and thank you for watching.